PHP, I will be saying if empty dollar title or empty dollar content. Okay, then echo valid title and some content is required to create a post. Only these two fields would be, required every time in order to create a post. Rest depends on the person whether they want to, write any meta title or meta tags, or if they want to choose any categories. Okay, then I'm going to say else if empty dollar category name, if they haven't created any category, or if they haven't chose any category for their post, then I would be saying dollar category name will be equal to undefined or uncategorized. Okay, that seems pretty fine. Else would be I would be saying dollar category I'll make this one to category as well is equals to implode with dollar category name. Now guys, you would be thinking, what is this implode function doing out here? So let me do one thing, is I'm gonna take all this code from here and I would be pasting it to a notepad. Okay, and let me show you. If I will echo dollar category name, okay, refresh, and we don't have any submit button. No, my gosh. So come back and create a submit button as well. So out here, not actually out here, that will be out here. Okay, I will be saying input type submit, name would be submit, value would be or you know what, let it be submit. Give this an ID of submit as well. Come back, refresh. So I have this particular thing out here, and I won't be styling it this today. We would be doing it later. So refresh. Let me select both of these and let me hit submit. Okay, it says that is equals to an array. Okay, the reason it's saying it is equals to an array, if you people remember, we have made them equal to an array. This particular sign stands for an array. So what you can do is, whether you can use a for each statement to get all of these category name, but that's not gonna work for us because we don't need them in a we don't need single category one by one. We need all of them together. So what the best we can do is, I can say implode, that will convert my array to a normal string, and that will append a comma after every single category name, and I can actually echo it. So refresh. So guys, I have selected both of these, and I have HTML for beginners and cascading style sheets, that is CSS, that the implode is going to do for us. So I'm going to take it off from here, and I will grab my entire code and I will paste it here again. Next, I can write a very simple SQL statement. I can say MySQL query insert into posts. Then would be our field names that I'm going to grab from here, from categories. Okay, not from categories, from posts. Very first is a title, so we'll be saying title, description, then would be our categories. After categories, I have my post, meta, then I have post, Roberts, I have meta title, meta description, created by and created on. Okay, so these are the only fields we have. Be created by and created on, and then our values would be, for title it would be $title, for description it would be $content, for categories it would be $category name, and for post meta it would be, so meta title, meta description, there would be meta tags. For our post Roberts it would be $meta Roberts. Next would be our meta title and the meta description, so say meta title and $meta description, and then it would be created by and created on. So created by would be $session name, created on would be now. And if you're not sure what this particular session name means, just go back and look your session file. Session name is equals to the person who is already logged in. Then I will be saying is $affected rows. That would be my SQL affected rows. This would be how many rows have been affected by this particular query. I would be saying if $affected rows is equals to 1, then go ahead and give a success message, say created successfully. Okay. I'll do one thing is head the person, say header location to create posts.php, and that would be post id will be equals to $id, and I would be grabbing the id from here. I would be saying $fetch would be MySQL, or that's not right. I can say $id is equals to MySQL insert id. Okay. I believe that is pretty fine. Go back and test it and let's see what happens. I'm gonna refresh. It says syntax error on line 20. Really good. Where is my line 15? It is out here. Or MySQL error I will be writing, but the error was I was missing the semicolons in the last. So I will refresh. Okay, it seems pretty fine. Let me say title to HTML for beginners. Then I would be saying, hey guys, HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and through the course of these videos I would be teaching you HTML. Let's copy it. In case if I'll get with any errors, I can actually, copy and paste it again. So meta title, let it say HTML for beginners. Meta description or video series for beginners to learn HTML. Then I have meta roberts, let's say HTML beginners, and video series, let's say 3 is fine. Same goes to our meta roberts, beginners and video series. Okay, seems pretty fine. I'm gonna select this particular category and let's hit submit. It says column count does not match the value count at 0, 1. Okay, let me check it out. So I have a title. I have a title here. Then I have description, content, category name, meta tags, meta roberts, meta title, meta description, created by, created on, empty matches. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have description for 2 times. But that needs to be, meta description. Okay, that seems pretty fine. Go ahead, refresh, edit, submit. Okay, now if you will see, I've been redirected to a different page, but here I've got some ugly commas or full stops out here. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of it. Come back, check out our post section. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it shows our title, our description, categories to an array. Oh my gosh. Okay, because I have wrote category. My bad, guys. Okay, that's fine. The post meta would be, HTML, beginners, video series, same goes to post roberts. Okay, guys, we can use this particular, meta tags and every stuff while creating our themes to make it more SEO friendly. And apart from that, I have everything out here. One more thing I can do is better application like this. Okay, post ID equals to $ID. That seems pretty fine. Now you would be thinking why I'm doing this particular header location, though we need to show a success message to a person. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna open this particular secret in the next video, and believe me, they're gonna be very easy, and there will be some kind of an advanced trick to make things really simple. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.